Right, Tilly? Do you want to show everyone what a smart cookie you are? Okay, ready? Can you give me a paw? Good girl. Can you lie down? Good girl. Can you go to bed? Nope, go to bed. All the way. There she goes. Good girl. Okay. Can you sit again? Can you wait? Wait right there. Wait. You gotta wait. Okay, ready? Gentle. Good girl. Okay, I'm going over here. What are you gonna do about it? And this is where she guilt trips me to the extreme. Alright, Tilly, can you go to bed? Go to bed. Yep, there's the guilt. You gotta go to bed, Till. Can you go to bed? No, apparently you can't. Okay, we'll go outside. You wanna go outside? Okay, we'll go outside. Let's go outside.